All right, so I'm going to wrap up this problem. So in the last problem, we found that it's going to hit the ground after 2.6 seconds. So the next question, the last question, wants me to know at what time will the ball be 10 feet off of the ground? So if I look at my graph, I know that it's starting at 4 feet. It's going to go up to a highest point of 29 feet. The question wants me to know, or wants me to find out, when is it at 10 feet? So if I kind of extend this out, the ball is actually going to be at 10 feet 2 different times. It's going to go up, be 10 feet. It's going to hit that height of 29, and then it's going to have to come back down and be 10 feet again. So I'm actually going to get 2 answers for this problem. So the only difference with E is that the height is not 0 like the last problem, it's 10. So I'm going to set the equation equal to 10, not 0, since it's a specific height that they're giving me, not just the ground. And so I'm going to get it equal to 0 because that's how we solve quadratics. It must always equal 0. And then again, typically these are not factorable. So I'm just going to jump back into quadratic formula and I'm going to get negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2 times a. And again, this is going to give us 2 times. So let's see what the calculator says. Basically, it's the same exact formula as last time. The only thing that's different is this time c is negative 6. So I'm just going to make that quick change. And I'm getting 0.16. So I'm getting a positive answer. So I know this is correct. The only reason why I got rid of negative 10 last time is because you can't have negative time. That doesn't make sense. And then let's go and change this to subtraction. And if I round to the nearest hundredth, I'm getting 2.34. 2.34 seconds. So just as I thought, there's 2 times where it's going to be at 10 feet. So this very first time that it gets to 10 feet is 0.1 seconds after the ball is hit. And then the second time it reaches 10 feet is 2.34 seconds, which makes sense because very shortly it's going to reach the ground after 2.60 seconds.